Hi everybody, Teacher Vanessa and myself miss you a lot. We hope that you are keeping healthy and safe. Today I would like to share with you a recipe that I found. It's an easy tree snack recipe for children. All you need to do is wash your hands with water and soap. Try to wear an apron. Get all the things that you need. Like for this recipe, you need a plate or something that you can lay your tree on. You will need all kinds of pretzels, grapes. You can also get a salad mix, which are all sorts of leaves, a cutting board, a knife. The knife, if you have one that is made out of plastic, I would prefer that because it's safer for you to use. And of course, your grapes, you're going to cut them in half. You're going to need probably a grown-up to help you with that if it's a real knife. If it's a plastic one, you can do it. You just hold on to it and cut it right in half. You're going to have to cut them in half. Now, what parts does a tree have? A tree has roots on the bottom. It has a trunk in the middle. It has branches around, and of course, the leaves. So we're going to start building our tree with our roots. You can cut your pretzels in half to make the roots way on the bottom. And start laying them down on the bottom of your plate or whichever surface you're using. I use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 roots on mine. As for the trunk, I want to use my thicker pretzels, but you can use whatever you want to use. And then, so we have the roots, the trunk, the branches, which I'm using the skinny branches, the skinny pretzels. And what else is missing? We have the roots, the trunk, the branches. Now we have to add the leaves. Once you cut them in half, you can start putting them. And once you put them, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I have 25 leaves on my tree. You can also count them in Spanish. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25. Well, I hope you enjoy this recipe with your children and you share it. If you would like to eat it, you can also count the pieces all over again, English and Spanish if you like. And we'll see you next time. Please wash your hands and keep healthy. Bye.